So I'm studying a Master of Environmental Science at the University of Auckland. So my research looks at the spatial variability of soil characteristics, including soil carbon, in a restored native landscape in New Zealand. So as more restoration plantings are occurring in New Zealand, it's important to know what's actually going on below ground after those plantings. The study area that I'm focusing on is called Kew Haven, and so the two owners have now put it into a charitable trust, and so they bought it as a farm and started planning how to plant it up. And so they've been planting little sections of it every year, but they really want it to be a part of the community. The university's sustainability stance is one which incorporates both the natural landscape, so the terrestrial and the ecological, and also the societal ones. And so restoration plantings are linked to both of those as greenhouse gas emissions are exceedingly high. So I grew up on a farm in Hawke's Bay, and so I've always been quite close to the natural world. We're an island nation, and so we have quite unique biodiversity. Me personally, I want to do something that contributes to protecting that.